Bowman and Kassler down into the corner, ripped around the half wall. This will be Powell. Caleb Powell up the left-hand side, down into the night zone. Now Kassler will race back, battle Powell for it.
It's just amazing the things that they make their body do. And it's like so